Hello everyone, this is McLovin. Today we'll be showing how to download Python first. You first want to go to python.org and you want to get the latest version of Python. And you go to Python 3 and go to downloads, go to the release version and click the latest version that's ever released. And scroll a bit, and here's the versions. For the Windows you want this one, or for the Mac you want this one. And let's start downloading it. And it's done. So let's open it, and you can choose the path, like you can choose the default path or the customization path. And for me, I will just choose the default for now. Click on it and wait for a bit. This will take a bit. It's finally done. And let's close it, and now let's go to Python. So we're in Python, and let's print out something. Print hello mom. So it'll generate what you write in the print. So let's close it, and let's go to IDLE. So what IDLE is that it's the same like Python, but it can write like longer codes, longer and better codes. Like this one is where you write, and the other one is where the one you write will be generated. So let's write hello mom, and we're going to run it, and we're going to save it. Let's save it in desktop. Okay, so Python. And it will be generated here, the hello mom. So this is how you download Tony. Search Tony, and like Tony is the also IDLE, the one I showed you before, but this one's more flexible and friendly for new users because like it can debug the codes. Like we'll get on that later. So you want to download the latest version, and for the Windows, go for the Windows, and Mac, go for the iOS version. So we're gonna start downloading it. This can take a while. Done. So let's open it. This is the latest version of Tony. So choose the path that you're comfortable with, like any path. I'll choose the destination path, and we're going to install it. It's done. Finish. So let's go to the Tony app. So here's the one. The upper one is where you write the code, like print hello mom. And as you can see downwards, like it's the shell where the codes you write are generated. So here's hello mom, and print again. Let's write hello world. I'm gonna run it, and as you can see in the shell, it's printed hello world.